Good morning, dear student. Today we will teach about what is the feedback amplifications. Here, a simple circuit is taken and for to amplify a signal, here a NPN transistor is taken at here by its pin configuration. It is clear that it is emitter, collector, and this is the base of transistor. R3 is a resistance connected to base of transistor, and R1 and R2 are resistance connected to stabilize the voltage, or we can say that to perform stabilizations of transistor. Here R load equal to load, where we will take output voltage. To power supply applied this circuit, here a voltage source instead of plus VCC, we take a power supply. Positive is connected to collector of transistor and negative is grounded by ammeter. To apply supply here at base of transistor, we can take this in following way, that this is ammeter, collector, base. If we can imagine that this is the terminal our battery plus VCC, here it is a voltage drop across base of transistor. By help of this voltage, it will in comes in active regions, and to reduce variant in voltage, we apply a capacitor. So input voltage at given between base and ammeter of transistor, and output voltage is taken at across the load resistance V output. Here when we apply a signals, then it will be amplified by transistor, and the amplification will depend on the load resistance R load and R3, and the power supply given to collectors and between ammeter. The output over signal will be like in this way. So so we applied we applied a voltage, or we have a signals of low voltage. For example, V in equal to 0.5 volts, then corresponding to this voltage we have large value. We can see it in this graph, which maybe, for example, we consider that 1.5 volts. So corresponding to 0.5 volt, we have output of same phase of 1.5 volt. So it's just 3 times amplified. So by the help of this circuit, we can use the transistor as a amplification of signals. Further, to amplify more, we can make the chain of transistors. We can further amplify these signals by, suppose, next we have here another configurations of circuit or transistor, and that will be give equal to 3 volt. Then what will have, first initially our signal was 0.5 volt range, First phase, which interacts and give 1.5 volts, and another change which improve it by 3 volts two times. So by help of this transistor we can amplify any signal by vary in load resistance and supply voltage. We can change the ratio of output voltage with respect to input voltage. Thanks.